Stop by to become a guest of the Air Show Network VIP experience and purchase a Flightline Club table or premium box seat. The Flightline Club offers your own reserved table directly on the Flightline with complimentary catered barbecue lunch. Unlimited soft beverages are offered throughout the day. Wine and beer are available for purchase from the Flightline Club. Premium box seats offer a dedicated seat directly on the Flightline with access to dedicated restrooms. Both Flightline Club tables and premium boxes offer come-and-go access throughout the day, so you can walk around displays knowing that your dedicated spot is waiting for you when you're ready to watch the show. Great seats are available, but they are limited. Only a few remain, so hurry and get yours before they sell out. Individual tickets are available. Visit the entrance to the Flightline Club to purchase a ticket for the Air Show Network VIP experience. And we would ask, please, if you're in the premium box seats or in the Flightline Club, that you please remain seated during the performances so everyone has a great view of the show.